Good morning, grade 2. I hope you all are doing good. Yes. Thank you so much for your videos on different kinds of food that we eat, and it was really good to see you all preparing vegetable salad also. So, today I'm going to teach you sources of food, okay? I hope you all are clear with the different kinds of food that we eat every day, right? So, now, okay. So, let's talk about the sources of food. Where does the food come from? Okay? Now, the sources of food are animals and from plants. Okay, so from animals, what do we get? Meat and then some milk products also, such as butter, cheese, and curd. Okay, so these are the things that we get from animals. And now moving on to the plants. What do we get from plants? We get fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, and oils. Okay, are you all clear with it? The sources of food, animals and plants. These two are the sources of food. And from animals we get meat and milk products such as butter, cheese and curd. Right? And from plants we get fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts and oils. Okay. Now let's talk about why food is important. Okay, so I saw few children have spoken about why food is important, and they have said that we need food to live and we have to eat, otherwise we'll be hungry and die, right? Not only that, but also it makes us strong and healthy. Okay, and we should eat good, clean and fresh food. Beside food, we should also drink enough water. Okay, why we should drink plenty of water is because our human body is made of 70% of water. And you know what, coincidentally, more than 70% of earth is also covered in water. Can you see here? This blue portion is water. Our earth is covered with 70% of water. Okay, pictures about why food is important. Okay, now before that, let me tell you one thing, that we are so fortunate that we get to eat 3 times a day, 3 meals a day, and people in other places are dying because they don't get to eat, not even one time. They're starving and dying out of hunger. Do you want to see? Look at this. These children are eating food that has been dumped. Yes? Do you think this food is safe? This food are not safe, and it's not clean also. But what to do? They don't have any other choices. They have to eat to live. Yes? Like you all said that we have to eat to live. And they don't have any choices. Now look at these children. Do you think they look fine? They're not, right? Look at their body. See? Look at their bodies. Do you think they're okay? No. Now look at these people. They're waiting for the food. Yes, they're waiting in a queue just to get a food. And they don't even know whether they'll get food or not. They just have to depend on the people who brings food for them. And it's not that they get to eat every day. Look at these. These people are asking for the food. They're begging for the food. See, can you see any food in their plate? No. Look at these children. They might have been eating after so many. Please do not waste food. I hope after seeing this picture, you will know that the importance of the food, and I hope you will not waste food also. Please take some small quantity first and see whether you want to eat more or not. If you want to take more, you can always go for second take, right? Okay, but please do not waste food. And also one more thing I would like to tell you is that please do feed the dogs and even cat, and keep some grains and water for birds in your terrace also. Okay, so you can have you can also help your parents to create a small kitchen garden, and because right now due to lockdown it is so difficult to get vegetables, etc. So you can have a small kitchen garden in the terrace also. Okay, now, so you all understood the importance of food? Yes? Okay, so now let's move on to the milk products. Okay, now why is it important? We should also drink 2 glasses of milk every day. It is good for our bones and teeth. Okay, now see, let's see these 3 parts. Now see, from milk products such as ghee, oil, butter and cheese gives us the energy to work and play. Okay, if we eat ghee, oil, butter and cheese, this will help us to get our energy to work and play. Okay, and then from fruits and vegetables, it helps us to fight diseases and protect us from falling ill. Okay, that's why it's very important to have green vegetables. Got it? And then from fish, eggs, meat and nuts builds our muscle. So I hope children you understood the importance of food and the sources of food. Thank you for watching.